it's Mike Finnegan from Roadkill. I'm here with David Freiberger, and you're watching The Boss Garage.
And so are you.
All right, we are planning to head to St. Louis, Illinois for the Roadkill Zip-Tie Drags next weekend, actually, about a week from now when we're making this video. I don't know when it's released, but we are planning to be there. But we need some help. We are gonna bring the Audi, and we want to go to the show, but we're also running out of time on working on the Audi. We need some help working on the Audi, and we need some space and some tools that we can't take along with us. So if you live in the area that the zip ties are happening, wondering if one, we can borrow your cherry picker. We really just need a cherry picker and some hand tools and some guys helping at the show. We'll probably be wrenching on the car at the show, and if not, it's only Friday and Saturday is the show. If you have a nice garage and would allow us to work on the Audi in your garage and work on it with you guys, we would love that experience. We're broke as shit because we spent all our money on parts, so we might need to sleep in the Audi in your driveway if that's okay. But if you're up for that, if you want to hang out with us for the weekend, I think it's going to be me for sure. Maybe Aaron and maybe Stefan. We're still working on it. Hoogie's being dragged to a wedding by his unrelentless girlfriend, who is now taking him away from everything fun. But he's happy, so we'll let him go. Anyway, we could use some help, so hit us up on Instagram or on debossgarage@gmail.com. Let us know if you're willing to help out. We don't bite, we laugh a lot, and we'll bring a case of Canadian beer, and you can get drunk off your ass in like 2 beers. If you're under 21.
Can you bring beer to
I don't know. Okay, we're not bringing beer, but we'll buy some beer and we'll drink some beer unless you're under 21, and then we'll stay respectable and we'll have juice boxes in your driveway if your parents allow us to work in your garage. So hit us up, look for us at Roadkill, and yeah, here we go.